everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn and this is Life with Jocelyn Christina.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Thank you so much for tuning back in to watch another house update. We are in week 9. Yay! So excited. I'm out here at my house now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's turn the camera around and let's see what house updates we have today. All right, so we are in the garage and I'm gonna pull the camera back some so we can get a view of everything. As we can see, it looks like we have the handles on. So exciting. So we have these beautiful dark bronze handles on the doors now. And this was an upgrade. These handles, they look so good, so beautiful. So they're on the pantry doors. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I'm so excited about that. And this is the half bath. Actually, let me open the pantry door. Oh my gosh, look at this. We've got shelving. Guys, look at this. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness. So we've got shelving in the pantry. This is so awesome. So that was the garage area. And then this is that closet. Let me see if there's anything in here. Oh wow, shelving is up here in this closet off the garage. Let's look at the half bath. So we have the half bath here right off of the kitchen garage area. So no toilet yet, but it does look like we have the bronze colored rack is in here to hang the towels up here, and also for the toilet tissue. The vent is on. That's awesome. And we also have the mirror up in the bathroom, so that's really nice. Excuse me. Of course, we talked about the window in the half bath. So let's go ahead and go right into the kitchen. But before we get into the kitchen, let's look here. So we have the light switches are in. So that's nice. Very, very nice. The door stopper is in. I notice all the little details. So let's go in here into the kitchen. Oh my goodness! Look, everyone! We've got countertops and they look so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I wonder if I can pull this up so I can take a look at the countertops. Wow, look at these beautiful countertops. I'm just gonna pull it up a little bit so you all can see. Let's see if I can get in close. So I chose quartz. So we have these beautiful quartz countertops. I chose this color. Hopefully, I think it goes well with the white cabinets. But I just wanted something, I just wanted to stick with a light color, and I really wanted to go with quartz because I heard that quartz is a very durable material. It's more durable and long-lasting compared to granite, so that's why I went with quartz. But I just love it. I'll get in close here so you can see all the little designs in it. It's so pretty. So we have that all over. That is just absolutely beautiful. And then let's look over here. Oh my gosh, so we have the backsplash. So this again, so the countertops, the quartz countertops and also the backsplash were both upgrades. So I also added this beautiful backsplash, white tile backsplash, and I think it goes beautiful with the cabinets. So just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, everything's coming along so nicely. The cabinets are looking so good. They just look absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna back up so we can get an entire view of the kitchen. So let me walk over here in the living area. And we can see we have a nice big view of the kitchen here. So all the cabinets look so good. And it looks like we're still waiting on for them to put in the microwave, the refrigerator, and the stove over there. But everything is looking so good. Look at the counter. This is a huge island. Look at this island. This is awesome. It is so big. So I should be able to fit like 4 bar stools here. And then of course we have our dining space over there. I'll be able to put a nice eat-in table over there with some chairs. And it looks like they've done some more drywall work, touch up and painting with the walls. So they are looking really good. And I know that when I talked to the project manager, he said that I do have electricity in, so that's awesome. Like the vents are all here. So they have the vents down on the floors, so that's good. And then of course, this beautiful stone fireplace that I got. I'm loving that. Let's go ahead and go down here. Oh, we got this is that Nest thermostat. So this is awesome. So we have this in the house. It looks beautiful. These light switches are in. So that's awesome. So let's go down the hall towards the front door and let's look at the office. Still looks the same. And of course we talked about last time we had the French doors were in to the office, and now we have the bronze handles are on the doors, which look good. And then the front door, so we can see the front door has the beautiful bronze handle on the door. And again, that was an upgrade to do those bronze fixtures all throughout the whole house. So let's go upstairs.
Wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you.
Let's see what they did with the first bedroom. Okay, so the first bedroom, we have again, those bronze fixtures are on all the doors and over there on the closet door as well. So room still looks the same. We got light switches, outlet covers are on, looks good. Door stoppers are in. We've got shelving in the closet installed. So that looks good. All right, so let's go down the hall. Look at the second bedroom here. All right, so all those beautiful bronze fixtures are on the doorknobs, and room still looks the same. And we have the wired racks for shelving in. And then if we look above in the ceiling, everywhere we have, those look like smoke detectors. I think those are smoke detectors. Oh, and the vents are all on. So all of the vents are on here too. Looks really good. And then the fire sprinkler system is up there. Everything is looking really good. Yep. All right, so let's go into the laundry room. So now we can really see this beautiful tile floor in the laundry room. And then we have, I think that's like the pan there. So that looks good. The hookups for the washer and dryer. So those connections are there. And over here, we got a wired rack. Our shelving is up here. And ooh, look at this, it's beautiful. So we got all of the shelving is up in the laundry room. Looks really, really good. Looks good. Let's go in the master. So let me back up so you can see this is the entrance to the master bedroom. And all of the bronze fixtures are in here. We've done a lot of painting. It's looking good. We got the vents up in the ceiling. And let's go in the master bathroom. So, ooh, wow. I love these beautiful fixtures, the bronze fixtures in the master bathroom. They look so good, guys. Look at these. These look so pretty. This was definitely worth the upgrade. They look so beautiful. I'm trying to get in close so you can see how they look. Absolutely gorgeous. Those beautiful fixtures. And then even up here where the light is, they look so good. I really like the way they came out. Very, very pretty. And then of course over here we have the tub. So we have the beautiful bronze fixtures that I picked out. And that's on the soaking tub. So that looks so good. The tub looks beautiful. That looks good. And we have these, the rack, or what do you call it? Towel rack is up. And also here, this little rack is up to hang the toilet tissue. We got a toilet in, yay! Beautiful, pretty simple classic toilet. And then of course the master shower. It looks so big. I feel like the shower looks a lot bigger than what I had imagined in my head. So there's definitely like plenty of space for me to take a shower, like I said, and sit down. And then of course we have the gorgeous bronze shower head and faucet here to turn on the water. So that looks so good. Let me see if I can get up close so you can see it really good. Looks really, really nice. It's so beautiful, and it matches like the color of the tile really good. I like the way that it blends in and matches the tile. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And then let's look at my master closet. Oh my goodness. So we have the bronze fixtures here on the door and the master closet here. Everything looks so good. This is so nice. So we have all the wired shelving is up here. Looks really good. I really want to redo this closet and do one of those custom closets. I'm not really sure when I'm gonna do that, but you know, it's something I would like to do in the future. But this looks really good. Okay, let's go out of the master and then let's head down, and we're gonna turn to the left and let's look at the bathroom here. So this is the full bath. Wow, everything looks so good. I wish there was some lighting so that you guys could see, but hopefully you can see. We have like the shower curtain rod. Everything is that beautiful bronze color. So we have all of that in, and I wonder if I get close, if you can really see a lot better. So that looks so good. And the shower head is in, and then these gorgeous bronze faucet for the tub. This is so beautiful. I never really thought that this would have been a big deal to do these bronze fixtures as an upgrade, but let me tell you, it really makes a difference in how, you know, more elaborate and rich your bathroom can look. It really makes a difference. And then we have this here, so that's for the toilet tissue. And then of course the sinks. We have the beautiful bronze fixtures here in the sinks, and right there looks really good. The outlets are in here, so that looks really good. So this will be the boys' bathroom, my boys' bathroom. Of course, we have the lighting fixtures up there. Looks really good. Yep, so my boys will be sharing this bathroom, and you know, we have another full bath in the basement. My oldest son says that he wants to just use that bathroom all by himself, so whatever they want to do, but this will be one of their bathrooms that they can use. And this is the fourth bedroom, so the entrance right off the main bath. is that 4th bedroom. Beautiful bronze fixtures in on the doors. And the rooms still pretty much look the same. So, and the closet, we should probably just have, yep. So the wired shelving is up in the closets here. Looks beautiful. Everything looks so good. Let's go down to the basement.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut.
We're in the basement, and we know that that's the room for all of the heating, cooling systems. There's the bathroom. It feels like really good down here. I definitely feel the air. So we see they've like touched up the walls with more paint, more drywall. Let's just go down to the full bathroom down here. So we see all of the fixtures are in. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's so nice. Oh my goodness, so this is the shower door is on in the bathroom down here. It's just like, you guys just don't know, but like every little thing that they do, that every week that I come, and you know, they add something new, every little thing they do is just, it's such a moment for me. It's to see this house come together, and I'm so happy. Like, this is just the best feeling in the world, to just see all of these finishing touches every week on the house. So I love, like I said, this bronze finish on the door. I really like the way the bronze looks. I'm glad I went with it instead of like that, you know, the standard, which was like that silver framing. Definitely gives, you know, more of a look to the bathroom. Definitely gives a richer look, richer feel. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the tile. I love that the tile goes to the ceiling in the bathrooms. It's so beautiful. And then you just have your basic shower pan down there. So that looks so good. It's beautiful. So again, this is that full finished basement. Everything just looks really good. All right guys, so that's pretty much everything for this week's house update. I didn't show the outside of the house because that pretty much still looks the same as last week. So if you want to see, you know, what the outside of the house looks like, please watch last week's video, which is week 8, which I will link somewhere here at the end of this video for you to click on and view. But that's pretty much it for week 9, and I'm so glad that you all could be here to watch the house updates with me. So I will see you all next week for week 10, and don't forget to click that like button, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can be notified of every time I post a new video. And that's pretty much it. All right, I'll see you all next week. Bye.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know.